Hello students, in last video lecture we studied summary, story and themes of the lesson Cop and the Anthem. In this video lecture let's continue the remaining themes and the remaining points of the lessons. Society and class. According to society and class, society and class both are important facts in our life, but when we just think about the society, that time different types of the social picture we see in the accumulations, structure of society, lifestyles of the people. We just think here, uh, considering how short of the story the Cop and the Anthem is, we certainly get see quite a few different classes throughout the story. Sophie's homeless existence and the money and power present in his surrounding are two extremes. Sophie is a member of low economic class, the homeless and convicted criminal class. Though it appears he used to belong to a very different class than he does now by the end of the story. Soapy makes up his mind to change his class. He wants to be part of the working class as well as a religious class. This points towards something that is woven into the idea of the American dream. The idea that we have the power to attain a place in a higher class through hard work, luck, and determination. Next one is that transience. Next theme of the story is that transience. Here, this short story shows us one day and briefly one morning in the life of Soapy, a homeless man living in New York City in the early 90s. There is nothing stable in his life except the city itself and the jail cell he spends his winter in. Although told in the humorous Lythran style, Soapy's stories is rather brutal and nightmarish. The Cop and the Anthem doesn't judge Soapy for his lifestyle, though Soapy ultimately judges himself, uh, nor does it romanticize it. There is a lots of room for the readers to come to their own conclusion. What's important is that Soapy realized that he doesn't like this life of imperfections and he craves something more solid. We hope he find what he's looking for. And the next point of the theme is that dreams, hopes, and plans. In our day to day life, every night we watching dream. But here, different types of the dreams. One moral we might get out of this story, if we were looking for morals, is that our goals and dreams, our hopes and our plans for the future might play a big role in determining the courses of our lives. For example, when we first meet Soapy, his only goal is getting through in jail for the winter, or rather finding food and shelter for the winter. Getting arrested and going to jail just seems like the easiest way to accomplish it. When Soapy has his change of heart, he finds these previous goals to be shallow. He realizes he could he realized he could be so much more. Immediately, Soapy starts making plans to change his life and sets about refining his goal. Since the policeman interrupts his thoughts, we don't get up to find out anything about the details still we don't get to find out details, still we suspect that Soapy has some exciting goals. If he is as serious about these goals as he seems to be, he will probably come nearer to finding hopeless happiness and fulfillment. Maybe he can use the 3 months in jail to really think things through and make a solid plan to for his life, like a timeout for growth. Now let's see some question and assignments. You have to solve this question and assignment in your notebook. Activity first is that discuss with your partner and find out the different ways in which Soapy tried to get arrested. The first one is given. You have to find out how does the Soapy try to get arrested. Here first is given, try to enter a luxurious cafe. Next, what you have to write, you already seen in the story. In a first activity, second question is that describe the atmosphere when Soapy reached near the church. A soft light glowed through the violent stained window. Remaining you have to write. Next one, activity second. It is the match the following. Read the story and match the incidents given in column A with the consequence given in column B. Column A, first, Soapy tried to enter a cafe. Second, Soapy broke a glass window. Third one, two waiters pitched Soapy on the collier's payment. Fourth one, Soapy heard an anthem being played in the church. Fifth one, cop arrested Soapy for hanging around. And here column B, the cop ran after another man. Suddenly a wonderful change came in his heart. Third one, dream of turning around in life was shattered. He stood up slowly, beating the dust from his cloth. Strong and ready hands of the head waiter turned him around. And next question is that give reasons and complete the following. That much only you have to write it. Give reason. First one, Soapy had confidence in himself because you have to find out the answer and complete the reason. The head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Soapy to enter. Why? You have to write it. The cop did not arrest Soapy for breaking the glass window because, what you have to write it. And the cop did not arrest Soapy for shouting and dancing because. So this is assignment you have to complete in your notebook. So in this video lecture, we seen the theme of the story and some questions for assignment. You have to solve this assignment question in your English notebook. You have to complete it because in board exam same question will be asked for your further exams and board exam also. So you have to prepare yourself. Thank you.